we've explored your Chromebook keyboard, let's briefly learn about a few super useful keyboard shortcuts. Learning some shortcuts will make navigating your Chromebook a piece of cake. As we talked about in the previous video, your keyboard does not have a caps lock key. And even though you probably won't use it much, you should definitely learn how to enable or disable this feature, especially if you accidentally get stuck and everything you type is in capital letters. To create a caps lock, hold the Alt key down with that magnifying glass. That will create a lock so that you can only type in capital letters. If you feel like you are stuck in caps lock, hold these two keys down again to disable it. The next shortcut you may already be familiar with. It's the copy and paste shortcut. First, you highlight a word or group of words. You can include a picture as well. Then, hold the Control key down at the same time as the C key. Then go to the place where you want to paste it. Make sure your cursor is in the place. Then, hold the Control key down again with the V key to paste it. Another helpful shortcut are the zoom keys. At times, you may be on a web page, even Canvas, and you can't see a button or you feel something is missing. Many times you are zoomed in too far. Hold the Control key down and use the minus key to zoom out to 100%. You can also hold the Control key down with the plus key to zoom back in. Another amazing shortcut you should know is Control Z. This is undo. Anytime you make a mistake or you want to undo something, even if you can't see this icon somewhere on the page, it will still undo if you use this shortcut. I promise you, this shortcut will be your best friend if you start using it. The last shortcut that I think is really helpful is the find bar. If you are on a web page and you want to locate a certain word, you can hold down the Control key with the letter F key. You will see a bar appear. You can then type in any word that you are looking for. Your Chromebook will highlight every place where this word appears. You can even adjust the color of the highlight. Now please take a look at some other really exciting shortcuts you can use by watching the video below from Google for Education. You can also use the provided poster and link to shortcut flashcards for extra practice.